reason why we don't think we can do it over a long period of time is because we have become what old guys like me call we have a microwave mentality. We want instant gratification, and nothing worthwhile comes easy and doesn't come immediate. There are no overnight successes. There is no overnight way to truly accumulate wealth to be able to take care of it. I mean, you can win the lottery, you can bet and do some of those kind of things, but there are so many more bad endings to that than there are good endings. But with social media, you hear about those that have succeeded in it. They're going to tell you you can do it.